Tired of waiting days for checks to clear or having to deal with cash to pay a friend back? Zelle is the answer, and if you're a PNC Bank customer, using it is incredibly simple. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to get started with Zelle and PNC Bank so you can send and receive money in minutes. So, what is Zelle? Think of it as a digital handshake between banks. It's a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money with friends, family, and people you know and trust. The best part? It's already built right into your PNC mobile app, so there's no need to download another app. It's also free to use. Ready to get started? First, you'll need the PNC mobile app. If you don't have it already, download it from your app store. Once you're logged in, tap on Send Money with Zelle from your account's hub. The app will walk you through a quick enrollment. You'll agree to the terms, link your U.S. mobile number or email, and choose the PNC account you want to use. It's that easy. Now for the fun part, sending money. In the Zelle section of the app, tap Send. You can select a contact from your phone or manually enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send, and you can even add a little memo about the payment. Once you review and confirm, hit Send. The money is typically sent in minutes to any enrolled user, regardless of whether they bank with PNC or not. Just a quick heads up, a lot of banks have daily and monthly Zelle limits. For PNC, a common daily limit is $1,000 and the monthly limit is $5,000, but you can always check your specific limits right in the app. Also, remember to only send money to people you know and trust, because once a payment is sent, it can't be canceled. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.